Making the most of your supervisor. Remember when you were in high school, afraid of that one teacher who appeared too strict? Even our parents and sometimes grandparents have stories of how strict African teachers and intellects are. Well, this could be your supervisor. They might appear to be strict, but you have to remember that your supervisor has expert knowledge and experience to help you get through your thesis successfully. I'm Nicole, and I'm here to talk to you about how to make the most of your supervisor. Do you know that your supervisor is human? You should never be afraid to seek academic assistance from your supervisor for any academic needs you might have. While both student and supervisor need to maintain a good working relationship by respecting, trusting, and outlining responsibilities and boundaries, you should keep in mind as a student that your supervisor is one of the most important resources provided to you by your university. Yes, supervisors with respectable reputations can appear intimidating, even if they don't mean to be intimidating. Most supervisors want to help you, and your supervisor will want you to be successful. However, there is sometimes just a mismatch between supervisor and supervisee. This is not necessarily anybody's fault. It's just the nature of human relations. It is for this reason that it is important to try and make the most of your professional relationship. Try not to take anything too personally and keep your work the main focus. Here are 7 points on making the most of your supervisor. 1. As a student, be in search of an effective and efficient postgraduate student-supervisor relationship. 2. Have a good working relationship with your supervisor that is coupled with consistent communication and sharing your academic experiences with supervisors. 3. Make the most of meetings by having regular student-supervisor meetings and sessions, which is crucial for your academic success and completion of studies as a student. 4. Have their contact details, such as their email addresses, and contact them whenever you are having challenges with your thesis. 5. Take time to have conversations about what is and what isn't working. 6. You should know your supervisor's office and be able to visit your supervisor's office. And 7, ensure that your relationship is within the boundaries of university rules and communicate timeously if you are experiencing challenges. Utilizing your supervisor is important for your academic success, so make the most of it.